Amigo, where are you headed?
The Oregon Country Fair.
Get in.
There's the entrance. Enjoy the fair.
Do you know where I can find the drum circle?
I know what you need. Our cucumber and kale special.
Of course.
It's the parade!
Help me out. Where's the drum circle?
Hey, Bigfoot. It's hot. Want to go skinny dipping?
Yes. This is the best day ever.
Hola, amigo. Un churro con chocolate, por favor.
Por supuesto, señor.
Damn those churros!
Bigfoot is cool. I like his energy. Yeah. And his smell. All musky and earthy. You're so tense. Try to relax.
Oh. So, big buddy, how was the fair?
Ben, my friend, it was incredible.
Brother Coyote, next year we'll go together.